So this is 2007 Mazda 5. So we are going to replace the front strut for this car. So it's early morning of Saturday again. We're doing again repair here in my garage. So join me. Let's replace this strut for this car. So tire is off. There's an ABS connection in here that we need to remove. This connection. Let's suck some WD-40. WD-40. Alright, so we just remove this ABS connection. Now I think we can remove next one. This, I think this is number 17. It's for your stabilizer link bar right there. That one. Right, so number 14. Nice. What's this? Zoom out. Okay, that's fine. Next one is this. It's for your clip. It's a clip. There you go. There you go. And this one, the clip, little bit dark. Clip for your, what's this, brake hose, and there you go. I think that's it. And then we're going to remove the bolt. Yep, there's one bolt in here. I don't know what's this. That's 17. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's 17. Let's try remove it using my Milwaukee. Perfect. Not that tight. Okay. That's your bolt. Alright. That's it. Wow, okay. Now let's go on the top, I guess. In order to remove the, remove the upper part of your stabilizer link bar, you gotta jack the hole this one, your knuckle. Take a look right there. Stabilizer link bar. This one. There you go. See that? So there you go. Just jack it. And now I guess we could maybe hammer this. Try to hammer it. Put some WD-40. Alright, let's try to hammer this. Oh yeah, it's working. Some WD-40. Oh yeah. Nice. I think it's alright. There you go. Okay. Right there. See it? So we don't need to remove CV axle nut and also this outer tie rod. Nice one. Now we gotta remove the bolts on the top. Perfect. Nice. Alright. There is, what's this? I think brake fluid. The servo. Let's remove it. Yeah. And there's the, what's, I think this is number 14. Number 14. This one in here and one in here. So number 14. Oh no, it's number 14. Number 14. Alright, so this is number 13. Let's remove it. Alright. It's not that tight. Yeah, this one is a little bit tight though. Okay. Nice. Alright. Let's move. After removing these 3 bolts, oh, that's the strut. New strut, quick strut. That's the brand. So let's just insert it like that. That's it. Just need to. Right, so new bolts. So just tighten it, and let's do the one underneath. Alright, let's put this on. Some WD-40. Okay. There you go. Nice. Perfect. Yeah, that was easy. Oh. Go. That's it. Just lock it. There's the jock right here. Let's just jock it. There you go. As soon as we jack it, there you go. Nice. Perfect. Put this on. Nice. Alright, so let's put back all the bolts. This. Good. Alright, so everything is back. I never thought that's super simple, straightforward. It's not complicated one. So alright, so there you go. That's how you replace a front strut for 2007 Mazda 5. So you just need to remove a couple of bolts, and that's it. So if you had any question on this video, please comment down below, and consider like and subscribe my channel too. That's all for today, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.